the Tiny Traveler, the original and first to market in-car baby monitor, a smart upgrade from traditional car baby mirrors. Instead of relying on reflections, you get clear, real-time viewing of your baby right on a screen. Because the monitor is battery-powered, it can also be used on the go while traveling or even inside the home. In this video, we'll cover what's inside the box, the installation, pairing an additional camera, and the AI features. Let's get started. Inside the box, you'll find the Tiny Traveler camera, the wireless HD monitor with an SD card already pre-installed for you, a suction cup mount for the monitor, a strap mount and a clamp mount for the camera, power cables and adapters, and a portable power bank for the camera. First, let's mount the camera. You can use either the strap mount or the spring-loaded clamp, depending on your vehicle and preference. Both mounting options work whether your baby is rear-facing or forward-facing. Just adjust the angle so the camera is centered on your baby. To power the camera, use the included straight power cable, then connect to either a USB-A port or a 12-volt socket. Little feet love to kick, so we recommend tucking the cable under seat covers or floor mats to keep it out of reach. This helps avoid any pulling, tugging, or loose connections over time. If you prefer a fully wireless setup, use the portable power bank for the camera. It's a simple pop, lock, and go. Make sure it's secured in place. You'll easily get up to 8 hours of use before recharging. Time for the monitor setup. Make sure the monitor screen is facing you and easy to view without blocking your sight of the road. Use the suction cup mount to install the monitor. Use the angled cable to power the monitor and connect to either a 12-volt socket or a USB port in your vehicle. Easily route and hide the cable along the dashboard or trim for that clean car look. If you are in a rush or on the go, rest assured your monitor comes with a built-in battery for wireless use. Once everything is installed, you're ready to start using Tiny Traveler. When you start your vehicle, the camera and monitor will automatically turn on. If you're using the portable power bank, simply press the power button on the side one time. Once connected, you'll see a real-time video feed of your baby on the screen. Adjust the monitor angle if needed so it's clearly visible while driving. If there's moments you don't want to miss, you can record video directly from the monitor at any time. We are also very aware that parents can be caught up in busy moments, so we've included a backseat reminder alert for when you turn off the car. Automatic night vision, no matter day or night, gives you clear viewing of your child. If you have two little ones or want to keep an eye on two different areas, we'll show you how to easily pair a second camera. With the camera powered on, press and hold the power button until the blue LED light starts flashing. Now it's in pairing mode. On the monitor, go to Settings, then System Settings, and select Pair Camera 2. Now the real-time video from the second camera will appear on the screen. You can toggle between Camera 1, Camera 2, and Dual Vision by continuously tapping through the options. Easily take Tiny Traveler with you once you reach your destination, whether that's at home, in a hotel, or anywhere while traveling. Simply remove the camera and monitor from your car. Power on the camera using its power cable or the portable power bank. Then power on the monitor. The monitor will automatically reconnect to the camera, just like it does in the car. You'll see your baby in real time on the screen, and you can also use two-way talk to hear your baby and speak to them whenever needed. Tiny Traveler is very suitable for all kinds of room-to-room and room-to-outdoor monitoring, giving you the freedom to move around while staying connected to your baby. For AI models only, Tiny Traveler includes a companion app for both iOS and Android. To connect, first make sure your monitor is on and within range. Next, open the app and follow the on-screen instructions. When prompted, connect to the Tiny Traveler monitor signal. This is a secure, closed network. Tiny Traveler does not upload or store recorded moments in the cloud. Everything stays private and fully under your control, never compromised. Once connected, you can manage or download all saved videos and photos and import up to 2 custom audio-like lullabies. Before we dive into the individual AI features, there's something important to know. All AI features on Tiny Traveler run locally on the device and never collect any data on your baby. Now let's dive into each AI feature. One of the most helpful AI features on the Tiny Traveler monitor is the virtual fence. This feature allows you to create a virtual perimeter. You can enable two types of alerts. With in-fence warnings, you'll be notified when your baby moves within the fenced area. Without fence warnings, you'll get an alert if your baby moves outside of the fenced area. To set this up, go to Fence Calibration on the monitor. Tap and drag to define the boundaries, then confirm the zone placement. While the virtual fence provides added awareness and alerts, it's important to remember that it's not designed to replace continuous supervision. Other AI features include cry and laugh detection, which recognize your baby's cries and laughter and alerts you. Turn on auto recording under Settings, then AI Settings. Once enabled, Tiny Traveler will automatically record and save each detected event. Automatic recording length is based on your loop recording settings, which you can find under Settings, Monitor Settings, and then Loop Record. Adjust to 1, 2, or 3 minutes. Help soothe your baby's cries by also enabling a calming audio found under Cry Detection. Once enabled and a cry is detected, the camera will automatically play one of the lullabies of your choice. You can also choose to manually turn on a gentle nightlight glow for extra comfort. Standing detection is designed to help you catch one of the most exciting milestones, your baby's first time standing up. To access this feature, visit Settings, AI Settings, then Standing Detection. This feature is designed for infants and toddlers up to 15 months old. Once your child reaches 16 months, Standing Detection automatically turns off, keeping the feature focused on the milestones that matter most. When your baby stands within the camera's view, the system recognizes the movement and alerts you in real time, and automatically record and save the moment so you can watch it again later. Be sure to update your baby's age in Settings so Stand-Up Alert stays accurate. You don't want to miss these moments. Tiny Traveler is designed to bring you peace of mind and help you stay close to what matters most. From your first drive home to everyday moments, you'll have a clear view and the confidence that comes with it. We're so glad to be a part of your journey. If you ever need anything, our team is always here for you at info@mytinytraveler.com. Because with Tiny Traveler, you'll never miss a moment.